Hello everyone. In this video, I will guide you through the full process of adding your Zilch card to Apple Wallet. Start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Zilch app. Once the app is open, you will land on the main screen where your account information is shown. Next, find your Zilch card within the app. You may see more than one card if you have used Zilch before, so make sure you select the active card you want to use. Tap on the View option next to the card to open the card details screen. After the card details page opens, scroll down slowly. Keep scrolling until you see the option that says Add to Apple Wallet. When you find it, tap on this button once. Now the Apple Wallet setup process will begin. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. You may be asked to confirm your identity using Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone passcode. When you are ready, tap the Add button in the top right corner of the screen. Your iPhone will now add the Zilch card to Apple Wallet. This usually takes just a few seconds. Once the card is added, the Wallet app will open automatically. Tap Done to finish the setup. You can now find your Zilch card inside the Apple Wallet app. Thanks for watching.